Where you going, El? Whose shoes are those?
Mommy.
You sure are running around in those things pretty good. Might be a few sizes too big. Oh. Now you gonna put Daddy's shoes on? See how that goes. Put your foot in Daddy's shoe. Put it in there. Put your foot in there. Come on. Step inside there with your foot. Those are Daddy's shoes. Oh, okay. You gonna be a baby about it?